Hey guys, Stephen Fillers here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at UWS's low profile side box, and with the UWS we have Brian Farley. How you doing, Brian?
I'm well, how are you, Stephen?
I'm doing great. So tell us more about the side box and why we'd choose this over another box out there.
Okay, we've designed this low profile side mount box for the basic purpose of view through your back window.
Okay. Now does this have all the same features as the standard UWS box?
Yes sir, it does. This has a patented foam filled lid system.
Okay.
We do put the micro seal around it.
Good deal. Now talking about the finishes now, we have this matte black. Do you have other finishes available?
Yes we do. We have a gloss black and we have a diamond plate.
Okay, now what about the warranty and where's this product made?
It's made in the USA and has a lifetime warranty.
Great. Now last but not least, is this universal? Can I use it on driver and passenger side?
Yes sir, you can use it on driver and passenger side.
Great. Okay, now moving on to the installation. As far as difficulty and time that it took to do this, it really is pretty simple, so I'll give this a 2 of 10. On the timeline, give yourself about 30 minutes to make this happen. It is actually very simple to do as a solo job as well, so just be aware of that. Now Brian, fill us in though on some of the details required to make this install happen.
Yes, Stephen. First of all, you'd want to place this up on the bed where you want to mount it. Then you go ahead and bolt it through your bed. After you've done that, go ahead and put the legs in place.
Okay.
Self-tap screws, drill hole through your bed, bolt it down, you're done.
Super simple. All right guys, so that's a wrap on the low profile side mount box from UWS. Brian, thank you for coming in today.
Thank you, sir.
It's been a pleasure.
Most definitely.
Guys at home, if you want any more details about this box, check the description below the video. We'll have it all for you there, from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.